also we would like to welcome all the devotees who have come from UK, from New Zealand, from Fiji, from Surat, from many places. And yesterday Amarindra Prabhu was sharing that, at some point he and his wife would like to come and stay here for extended period of time and be part of Vidyapitha. Kabe habe bolo. So we are waiting for that day. So a lot of effort has gone in creating Vrindavan Braj here. But I think what is more important is to share the glories of Braj and create the consciousness of Braj. And so we need more and more visits by you to come here and speak about the glories of Krishna and Vrindavan for extended period of time, and let's plan something in advance. How many years back we had one retreat with you? 5 years ago. So it's time now. After that we have developed much more, and Madan Mohan has also come. So we should plan something so that we can do like a week-long retreat, 10 days retreat. Many of the devotees from Maharashtra and Surat and others would get the benefit. And it's always a pleasure to hear from wonderful speakers like Amarindra Prabhu, we had Hari Parshad Prabhu. Next generation, many of the speakers we want to invite and engage in speaking this Harikatha as part of glories of Braj. So there is also a Gurukul or school, Bhaktivedanta school running here at Govardhan Eco Village. And I wanted to also request Amarindra Prabhu to speak to the students there, because he's a wonderful example of someone who has grown up in Krishna conscious community. Congratulations to Shyamchandra Prabhu and his wife for taking such good care of both him and his brother Arjun Sakha Prabhu, and training them in Krishna consciousness, because I saw in Swaminarayan community almost 90% of the kids, they actually become followers of Swaminarayan, whereas in ISKCON that percentage is not so much as I would have expected. I should just say that much. So we need more such examples of devotees who have grown up in Krishna consciousness movement and then pick up Krishna consciousness from a young age, and as Kaumaram Acharet Pragyo, right? And ISKCON has been running in Chowpatty a school called Gopal Garden School, and the aspiration of that school was to have people who would be both competent along with have spiritual values. But many times the school authorities share with me that parents want children who are a combination of Prahlad Maharaj and Isaac Newton. And they say we can't figure that out. So, Amarindra Prabhu, if many of you may not be aware, after his graduation from Mumbai, he's an electrical engineer, and then he went on to do his masters in Boston, University of Massachusetts, Boston. That's where I met him for the first time in 2013 in my sister's house. He had come. And then after that he went on to do an MBA in University of Minnesota. So he's got a master's, double masters, one in technology, one in business administration. And then under the inspiration of his Guru Maharaj, Srila Radha Govinda Maharaj, who gave him this life's mission to preach the message of Bhagavad in the English language in the Western world, and use his talent to invoke Krishna consciousness amongst people and create love in the Srimad Bhagavatam. And he took that so seriously that he has now created, he could have just gone into a regular corporate job, the Big Four, PwC, Ernst & Young, this, that was like, be part of the regular treadmill of the Western world, which is very much what majority would do. But he took those instructions very seriously, and being an obedient follower of the parampara, he has made that sacrifice of a regular career, regular, I would say. They call it regular, we call it irregular. But what the society would expect, leaving that, and now he started on the inspiration of Srila Radha Govind Maharaj and his own, inspiration, adding to that a beautiful Sanskrit teaching academy where they are teaching Vedic culture, Vedic arts, Vedic music, along with that Sanskrit, and it's called Swaram, right? Swara Academy. So Amarindra Prabhu and Swastika Mataji both together, they are connected to thousands of children, even grown-ups, who are currently at a stage in life where they have their, career, they have their whatever they were aspiring for, but they want to go deeper into our traditional languages, traditional culture and things like that. So he is dedicating himself for that mission, and I think the stage at which ISKCON is today, we want many, many more such young talent, especially who are Grahastas. Because one of the myths devotees always have is, only if you are brahmachari, sannyasi, you can read Shastra. People come to me and say, "Arey Prabhu, aap to brahmachari ho." वो तो श्लोक वक्त तो बोलना ही है आपको, वो नहीं बोलोगे तो क्या बचा फिर? करते क्या हो फिर? सो ही रहे तो ब्रह्मचारी, दूसरा काम धंधा नहीं तो यही करना है आपको, और क्या है कि नहीं? हम लोग के पास कहाँ प्रभुपाद बुक और चक्रवर्ती पाद बुक के लिए टाइम, हम तो सब चेक बुक में लगे रहते। So therefore, when we have devotees who are grahastas and going deep into Shastra and also speaking that Shastra, then today ISKCON's community is 99.9% grahastas, for your kind information. Saffron is only 0.1% of ISKCON today. I am giving you statistical data. And that 0.1% is because of India. Otherwise outside is already disappeared only. So this ashram is endangered species. But as Grahasta, to be taking out time and the enthusiasm to absorb in the books of Acharyas and share it with others, this is an example which more and more devotees across the world should get inspired by, for themselves, for their families and for their children, as they are having this ambition and keen desire to grow their children with a nice Vaishnava culture. And that is the reason why so much of energy, money has gone into creating and running ISKCON schools, which may not have produced the results which we would have expected. So I think it's a very, very important unsolved puzzle in ISKCON. What would make the kids who grow up in Hare Krishna families actually become dedicated sadhakas and devotees? So I think you have a very important role to play in ISKCON through your example and through your presence and through your sharing of your knowledge and whatever you have learned. And on behalf of the community of Govardhan Eco Village, I would like to welcome you and thank you for many, many years of wonderful friendship. And we hope and pray that the devotees here at the Govardhan Eco Village, and especially the Vidyapit who's looking for another session, more intimate session, would have a wonderful time. And also His Grace Gauranga Prabhu, who's another, rock star here. Tirtha, holy place of pilgrimage. A lot of energy goes in building, construction, maintaining. This is like a hospital. But ultimately the purpose of hospital is people come and take treatment and get healed. And for us, that process is by Shravanam, Kirtanam, Smaranam, and sharing this Krishna consciousness with each other. Please keep Govardhan Eco Village in your thoughts, share it with others, and anytime any of you want to bring any groups to go deeper into your Krishna consciousness, or you want to introduce any of your new friends to Krishna consciousness who are not too much into spirituality, but they will definitely like Ayurveda, they will definitely like some other aspects. So we have a very wide range of activities here to invite them. So thank you all very much. Hare Krishna.